In this video, we'll teach you how to send Bitcoin from Cash App to Bybit. First of all, you need to log into your Bybit account and you need to get your Bitcoin address. Log into your account, then hover over the assets on the top right, click deposit. Right here, you need to select BTC Bitcoin and you need to choose the network, which is BTC right here. And you need to copy the wallet address, and after that you need to send the Bitcoin to your wallet address from Bybit. After that you need to open your Cash App, click the bank icon in the bottom left corner, select Bitcoin, and if you have got available Bitcoin balance you will see right there. Then you need to click the arrow icon like this and you need to choose the amount of Bitcoin you are sending, and right here then you need to paste the Bybit Bitcoin wallet address. Then you need to click next in the top right, choose the transaction speed, priority, rush or standard. For example, if you want to receive your money very fast, you can choose priority, click next and finalize the transaction. After that, you can check your wallet on Bybit. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.